Hello everyone, let's dive into DKHC HDMI USB KVM extender. This device promises to transmit HDMI signals over a single Cat5e or Cat6 cable up to 165 feet or 50 meters, supporting a resolution of 1920 by 1080 at 60 Hz. It's also backward compatible, which is great for different setups. One of the key selling points is its ease of installation. It features two USB 2.0 interfaces, allowing you to connect a mouse and keyboard directly to the KVM extender. No need to install any additional software. This makes it incredibly convenient for remote control of computers, monitors, and other devices. The long-distance transmission capability is a major advantage. Using a Cat6 cable, the extender can reliably transmit signals up to 165 feet. The metal shell and high-performance chip are designed to prevent overheating, ensuring stable signal transmission even during continuous use. A particularly useful feature is the local loop output. Both the receiver and transmitter units have HDMI output ports, enabling real-time monitoring of signal transmission at both ends. This can be invaluable for troubleshooting or simply keeping an eye on the signal integrity. In the box, you'll find the HDMI transmitter, the HDMI receiver, a power adapter, and a USB-B cable. The manufacturer also offers all-day online after-sales service and a 2-year warranty, providing peace of mind. The DKHC HDMI USB KVM extender is well-suited for various applications, including security monitoring, video conferencing, and outdoor screen displays. Its plug-and-play installation, long-distance transmission, and local loop output make it a versatile tool for anyone needing to extend HDMI and USB signals.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.